My bag is having 26 kilos only. Can you do something for me?
That is not quite right. My bag weighs 26 kilos. And is there anything you can do? Today, Maya's bag is overweight at the airport check-in counter, and she's going to make 5 common mistakes trying to fix it. Welcome back to Mr. Fix My English. Maya just checked in, but her bag is overweight. Now, she has to deal with the check-in agent. 5 mistakes. Let's fix every one of them right now. I am sorry. Your bag is over the limit. It is 26 kilos. The limit is 23.
But my bag is having 26 kilos only. I checked at home.
Stop. Maya said, my bag is having 26 kilos. Bags do not have weight. They weigh something. We say, my bag weighs 26 kilos. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
My bag weighs 26 kilos.
Good. In real life, your bag is over the limit. It is 26 kilos.
Oh, my bag weighs 26 kilos? I did not realize.
Yes, the limit is 23.
Can you do something for me?
Stop. Maya said, can you do something for me? This sounds too casual and a little demanding. The more natural and polite way. Is there anything you can do? This sounds respectful, and it is how native speakers ask for help. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Is there anything you can do?
Good. In real life,
Is there anything you can do?
I am afraid there's an excess baggage fee.
Oh no. How much I have to pay?
Stop. Maya said, how much I have to pay? The word order is wrong. In English questions, we say, how much do I need to pay? The verb comes before the subject, do I, not I have. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
How much do I need to pay?
Good. In real life,
How much do I need to pay?
the fee is $50 for 3 extra kilos.
$50. Wait, can I take out some things from my bag?
Stop. Maya said, take out some things. This is too informal for an airport situation. The more natural professional way. Could I remove a few items, please? Remove items sounds clear and confident. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Could I remove a few items, please?
Good. In real life.
Could I remove a few items, please?
Of course, you can step aside here.
Thank you so much. Okay, can you check my bag again?
Stop. 2 small things here. First, check is too vague at the airport. The correct word is weigh, because you want them to put it on the scale. Second, could is more polite than can. The correct sentence, could you weigh it again, please? Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Could you weigh it again, please?
Good. In real life.
Could you weigh it again, please?
Of course. It is now 22.8 kilos. You are within the limit.
Yes. Thank you so much.
All 5 mistakes fixed. Now let us hear the whole conversation correctly. Say it with Maya as we go. I am sorry. Your bag is over the limit. It is 26 kilos.
Oh, my bag weighs 26 kilos? I did not realize. Is there anything you can do?
There's an excess baggage fee of $50.
How much do I need to pay?
$50 for 3 extra kilos.
Could I remove a few items, please?
Of course, step aside here.
Could you weigh it again, please?
It is now 22.8 kilos. You are within the limit.
Thank you so much.
Now say this line with Maya. 5 seconds.
Could I remove a few items, please?
Before the quiz, your homework. Go to the comments and write one sentence you would say if your bag was overweight. For example, could I remove a few items, please? Or, how much do I need to pay? I read every comment and fix every mistake.
Go and write now. Then come back for the quiz.
Quiz time. I say wrong. You say correct before Maya answers. 5 seconds each. 5 questions. Ready? 1. My bag is having 26 kilos. Maya?
My bag weighs 26 kilos.
Correct. Bags weigh they do not have. 1 point. 2. Can you do something for me? Maya?
Is there anything you can do?
Correct. More natural and more polite. 1 point. 3. How much I have to pay? Maya?
How much do I need to pay?
Correct. How much do I, not how much I have? 1 point. For can I take out some things from my bag? Maya?
Could I remove a few items, please?
Correct. Remove items, not take out things. 1 point. 5. Can you check my bag again? Maya?
Could you weigh it again, please?
Correct. Weigh, not check. And could, not can. 1 point. Count your fingers now. 5 out of 5. You are ready. No extra baggage fees for you. 3 or 4. Really good. Watch one more time this week. 1 or 2. Watch again from the beginning. 0. Come back tomorrow. You will surprise yourself. Now, I promise you a bonus phrase. You stayed until the end. Here it is. Your bonus phrase. I will pay the excess baggage fee. You say this when you have no choice and you accept the charge. It sounds calm and professional, not angry or upset. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
I will pay the excess baggage fee.
Good. In real life, would you like to pay the $50 fee or remove some items?
I will pay the excess baggage fee, please.
Of course, card or cash.
Card, please.
If this video helped you, please subscribe. Next episode, Maya goes through security. She does not know what to remove. She argues with the officer, and her carry-on bag causes a very big problem.
I am fully ready for security. I am having everything organized only.
I'm having everything organized. We will fix that next time. Do not forget your comment below. Every mistake is just a lesson waiting to happen. See you next episode.
See you next time. Bye.